guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today it's gonna be a little bit of a different video. I know in my last video I said we were gonna do brakes, and we will, but today I got a surprise for you guys. What the? Got him. Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. This video is gonna be more of a vlog type. I'm super excited for this weekend because as things start to open back up, events are being held, and they announced that they're having a Autocross event this weekend, and I signed up. That's what I want to do with this car. I don't want to just modify and let it sit. I actually want to get behind the wheel and drive it, get some seat time in it, have fun, enjoy the car. So that's what we're going to be doing with this video. We're going to be inspecting the car, making sure there's no leaks, make sure I don't have any issues with the tires, and we're going to change the oil, clean the cold air intake, making sure it's safe to get on the track and have some fun with it. So let's do it. Okay, so as everyone knows, you need a helmet to race. This is going to be for one of the fenders. I'll show you. I forgot which one, but the lip's sticking out a little too far, so I'm going to use this to roll it back so it doesn't slice the tire. This is a QD for the oil drain. I installed one in the GTI and love it. Super clean, no more messing with oil all over your hands. Highly recommend it. Love this thing. We're going to be torquing down the cross brace in the back. The bolts have loosened up every now and then, I'll notice, so we're gonna add some blue Loctite on those and hopefully they don't move again. Cold air intake cleaner, K&N. Let's do it. And yes, I'm going to get to these brakes sometime soon. They stare at me every single time I go to my garage, like twice a day, and they're ready to go. Anyways, stay tuned for that. Oh, also, if you guys know Carlos with the Reflex Silver R32, he is such the homie. Check this out. Ugh. Hard to do this with one hand, but check this out. Look at that. Isn't that so cool, guys? Carlos, you're the man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This is such a cool gift. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get her washed, and we're gonna take her for a drive, get the engine up to temp so we could change the oil. Let's do it. A wash, not car wash, a wash. Touchless, baby. If you have a Terribles and a cold air intake, make sure you do the cheapest car wash, because the medium, even the next level above basic, the water sprays out in the side and it gets in your cold air intake. So do not recommend that. Been there, done that. Car died on me, gave it a few minutes, started back up, and yeah, your intake does not like water. Pony Express, please. $7. Pain's the worst part when you have bucket seats. Oh man, I am not comfortable that close to the curb. washed. Now it's time for some maintenance. We're going to start with the cold air intake, then do some oil. Alrighty then, got the car in the air. I took the wheels off because I just wanted to further inspect, just to put eyes on everything, make sure everything's good. No torn boots, no leaking calipers, check my pads. Oh, and by the way, my front bumper is Euro spec, it's not factory, so that's why I have these zip ties kind of jerry-rigged to pull the fender liner out so it doesn't hit the tire and wear it out. Time for the fun part. Remove this big old skid plate. Alrighty, it is the next day. Gonna meet up with one of my buddies right now, and we'll cruise out. It's all good.
Oh, up there.
Alrighty guys, we just got done with the tech spec. Everything looks good.
So you're gonna want to pull out like
To the right side.
Yeah, to the right side.
Better angle.
Yeah,
Come in.
You'll be fine. Hell yeah, here it goes.
Go. Floor it, floor it.
Kind of, yeah. Turn in. Keep on throttle. You can be on throttle more. On throttle more. Fine. Now, come out. Okay, now come in and then brake and turn. Yeah, you can like brake and turn, and then this one's the circle, so go around this way. Yeah, keep it going. And now go through here and look for. Oh, wrong way. Just, oh yeah, you're gonna. Just keep going that way. Brett, someone's coming. Just go this way and then go through that gate over here. Yeah. I'll go through that one. Yeah. This one. And then this one. Yeah, so you go through the circle once.
Okay.
Yeah, and then this one, and then you're gonna. This is the big bang corner. Yeah. So now go this. Try to keep it on the inside here. Yeah. Okay, and then you're gonna cut this, and then go through this gate section. Yeah. And then it's a right turn, and then a left turn, and a right turn.
All right, thank you. Fuck that up.
Yeah, so go through the circle once and then go straight through. You're good, man. Hey, you just did your first autocross run.
Yeah.
I'll go back into whatever line you were in. That was awesome. How did that feel? Dude, you were sliding, so I love the sliding. Did you feel that? You were like, yes. You were slipping like around stuff on the back end. It was like, that's like perfect driving. Yeah. You're like coming around something that's just kind of sliding for you. Yeah, dude, that was awesome. It was quick. Dude, and you got down low 70. It's not like you barely crept into 70. Like, look at the jump from just like you were like gassing a little harder, and you were just like, you felt the limit of the car, and you were like keeping it there. Dude, that was awesome. You literally dropped 2 whole seconds, and you were sliding around. Like, dude, you looked. Yeah. That felt really good. Like from the passage, I was like, yeah, he's controlling this really well.
What up, guys? Sorry for the horrible audio and video quality right now. I locked my mic. No, I put my mic in my glove box and then somehow broke my glove box handle. So something else to add to the list to work on. But we are all done for the day. I'm heading home. It was an absolute blast. I had so much fun. The car did fantastic. No issues with the car at all. I learned so much about my car, about myself as a driver, and it's all an improvement. My buddy Matt sat right seat for me for a few runs, and he gave me some pointers. He's been doing this a little longer than I have. Anyone has, really. But anyway, he gave me some pointers, and which helped out a lot. My car needs new tires. It also needs new suspension. So right now we're just laying down the fundamentals, like learn the car, learn to drive, learn the signs, flags, learn the rules, this, that, learn it all. So it's a good baseline to learn from, and I'm excited for the next event. I'm definitely signing up for the next event. Whew, so much fun. But yeah, that's a wrap, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Pony Express, please.